Hi there, welcome back. Commenting cells is a favorite feature in Excel. You don't have to be an expert to need them or to use them. As is, comments are a great tool, but you can do more by default. Comments are displayed as a rectangular to their box, filled with a light yellow color. To change the look of the cell's comment, we need to add two commandments into the quick access toolbar. So right click the quick access toolbar, choose all commands and add the button change shape and picture fill. Now to change the formatting of a comment, first you have to highlight the comment. Then from the review tab, click edit comment, highlight it and then press Ctrl+1, displaying the format comment dialog box. Let's change the formatting like font size, fill color and comment size. Press OK. Take a look at how the comment changed. If you want to change the shape of a comment, press the change shape button from the quick access toolbar and choose a new shape from the shape gallery. Great! A nice feature to add is an image to the comment. Let's learn how we can do that. Highlight the cell with the comment from the review tab, click edit comment. Click the comment to select it as shape and then click the picture fill icon with a quick access toolbar. Excel displays insert pictures dialog box. Now choose an image like this one and we are ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.